probably heard the saying before, April showers bring us May flowers. But all of that rain brings us something else too, a whole lot of storm water. In fact, Bloomington alone gets an average of just over 4 inches of rain each April. And that's where storm water comes from. It's simply the runoff from rain events. But when it comes down over impervious surfaces, it never gets the chance to soak into the ground or to filter through our soils. So we have to direct it elsewhere. Storm water that doesn't soak into the ground is directed into our surface waters, such as our streams, our lakes, and our rivers, through a large system of drainage ditches, storm drains, gutters, and other pathways. And along the way, storm water can pick up just about anything it flows over. For example, storm water contributes to sediment pollution, which is the #1 pollutant of our surface waters. But it can pick up nastier things than sediment. As it flows, storm water can pick up trash, oil, and grease, leaves, lawn treatments, pet waste, and other chemicals that come from buildings, roadways, or cars. The pollution is also often worse in urban areas, where storm water flows over more impervious surfaces before making it to a drain. And we have a lot of storm water to deal with. Just to give you an idea of how much, 1 inch of rain over just 1 acre of land is equal to over 27,000 gallons of water, which weighs 113 tons. You can help us keep our water safe, though, by doing the following: picking up your trash and litter, avoiding lawn treatments and pesticides, composting lawn clippings and leaves, washing your car at a car wash, decreasing plastic use, and considering the use of a rain barrel or a rain garden. All of these things will help us protect our waters together.